Okay, so you're doing a FARO Sphere upload, not having the scanner connected to the internet. Prerequisites. First of all, again, I'm showing my screen here by being connected with my computer to the scanner. You can do exactly the same stuff without having a computer connected, just doing it on the side interface. But I'm sharing it just so that it's clear what you do. So go to Manage, General Settings, WLAN. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or access point connection is on. This needs to say access point. I don't care what these settings here say, or passwords and blah, blah, blah are completely up to you. But this means that when you look at the user interface here at the top, you have a Wi-Fi connection. This is not an internet connection. It's just that there's an available connection for your phone or your tablet to connect to the scanner directly without internet. So this is on. Following this, I'll pull out my tablet and show you how to actually do the connection. Okay, I have an iPad or a tablet or a phone with me. What I'll do is go into my settings and I'll hit my Wi-Fi, and when I hit this, as long as my scanner is on, it should output the Wi-Fi network name. So I have that here. I'm going to connect to this thing. It's now connected directly, so my tablet is connected directly to the scanner. There's no internet associated with this. We'll go over to the FaroStream, and in FaroStream, if I'm connected, we should eventually see at the top right over here a connection to a scanner, which you can clearly see here. I have a 42% battery on it, obviously. Proceed with scanning. So I am going to just create a project and pretend that we're scanning a new project here, so bear with me. All right, we're ready, so I'll scan. All right, scan is finished. I'll just reposition the scanner to a new location. Scan number 2 is starting now. All right, scan number 2 is finished. We can carry on, of course. This can be done as many times as you want. But if you want to upload your data to FaroSphere and not have an internet connection, like we currently don't because we're connected directly to the scanner, which is offline, what you need to do is you hit Uploads to Sphere at the bottom over here. Even though you don't have an internet connection, the software will ask you to create a calibration scan for a Sphere upload. If you're using Flash, only if you're using Flash, this is necessary. So actually this is going to be my third scan because I don't want to just waste a scan and have it in the same position. So I'm about to go move my scanner right now to a third location. And we'll look at it. It says, do you want to do a calibration scan? I'll say yes. And again, we'll just wait for the scan to fill in. Okay, it looks like we're finished here. Now when you hit the upload button, that message will not pop up anymore. And you see that there's 3 things that need to be done. One is download full resolution scans, and that has to be done while you're connected to the scanner, because what's happening is the FaroStream device, phone or your tablet will have to grab full resolution scans off of the scanner. So we'll just hit start. And what it'll do is you'll see that it'll start downloading the actual data from the scanner. All right, here we go. So now that the scans have been moved onto the actual tablet, what I will do is now I'll switch over. I'll say, okay, now that I have the data, I'll switch over to the network that has internet connection. So we flip over here. And now it says, okay, well, you didn't log in. And that's where I'll say, yep, I want to log in into my FaroSphere. I had my credentials already preset, so it remembered them. Otherwise, you'd have to type them in, of course. But I'll hit done. And now what's going to happen is it's going to automatically start uploading this information through the internet without you being connected directly to the scanner. So it's safe to say that now you can disconnect the scanner, or actually disconnect the scanner, shut it off, put it away, and just wait while your tablet or phone is connected to that internet connection for that data to make it all the way up to the cloud. All right, that's pretty much it. You see that the upload has been finished. The processing already happens on the server, so you don't have to maintain any connection to the internet with anything anymore. It's finished. So the next step that you'll see is an indication that the data actually has been processed in the FaroSphere interface. And how you'll know that is you'll get an email to the associated account, your FaroSphere account, that'll tell you that the data has been received and actually processed, ready for your download or review. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below.